Beyond the sizzle lies a rigorous scientific process. At Apex Smoke, we transform premium pork belly into a symphony of salt, smoke, and precision.
Sir. It begins with the raw material. We select only the center-cut bellies with a specific 60 to 40 meat to fat.
Precision curing. Our automated injectors use over 100 microneedles to deliver a proprietary brine of sea salt, maple syrup.
We inject the brine at a controlled pressure of 30 psi. This ensures that the cure reaches the very...
This mechanical action also extracts salt-soluble proteins, which act as a natural glue, ensuring the bacon doesn't fall apart during the slicing process later.
We monitor the protein exudate. Once the meat reaches peak tackiness, it's ready for the most important step, the smokehouse.
The slabs are spaced exactly 5 centimeters apart to allow for uniform smoke circulation and heat distribution.
Inside, the environment is controlled by an AI that manages humidity, airflow velocity, and internal temperature simultaneously.
The smoke does two things. It provides the signature aroma and acts as a natural antimicrobial barrier, preserving the meat for the long term.
We cook the bacon slowly. This gentle heat initiates the Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction between amino acids and... This color isn't painted on, it's the result of hours of interaction between the maple sugars in our brine and the organic smoke particles.
After smoking, we must set the fat. Rapid chilling stabilizes the structure, turning the soft fat into a firm, slishable medium. This is where engineering meets appetite. Our slicers use 3D laser vision to calculate the density of every slab before the first cut is made.
The blade is cryogenically cooled to prevent friction heat from melting the delicate fat. We cut our Apex Smoke bacon at exactly...
Look at the precision. Each slice is an identical replica of the one before it, with a deviation of less than 0.1 grams.
Our AI rejects anything that doesn't meet the master weight criteria. Efficiency at 100% throughput. We use skin pack technology. The film is heated and vacuum shrunk over the bacon, removing all oxygen to prevent oxidation of the fats.
No air means no spoilage. The flavor is locked in a time capsule of freshness.
We scientifically verify the fat-to-meat ratio of the final packaged product to ensure consumer consistency.
We believe in total transparency. You know the exact tree species and the hour it was smoked.
Apex Smoke is the choice for high-end steakhouses and gourmet boutiques globally.
When you open an Apex pack, the first thing you notice isn't the salt. It's the deep, woody aroma of the forest.
Our tumbling process ensures the meat remains intact, never crumbling or falling apart during cooking.
High-quality fat renders cleanly. No white foam, no excess water, just pure, flavor-packed liquid gold.
We leverage the industrial Internet of Things to minimize waste and energy consumption.
Hygiene is our religion. The line is completely sanitized every 4 hours using automated robotic cleaners.
We maintain the lowest legal levels of nitrites, just enough for safety, allowing the natural pork flavor to shine.
Even our waste is part of a circular economy. From our smokehouse to the world's finest breakfast tables.
The fire never goes out. The smoke never stops.
The chemistry of craving.
The ultimate breakfast, powered by Apex Engineering. We simulate every breeze to ensure every slab is treated equally.
Clean, cold-set fat is the hallmark of premium bacon.
Smoked by nature, powered by the sun.
Perfect crispness, perfect texture.
Experience you can taste. Science you can trust.
Apex Smoke. The evolution of flavor.
APX Smoke. Tradition engineered.